equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure your Dell XPS is powered off. Flip it over and remove the screws using a Torx screwdriver. Keep them in a safe place. Next, gently pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips. Once inside, check for dust and debris. A clean internal environment is crucial for performance. Use compressed air to blow out any dust. Now, locate the display cable. Ensure it's securely connected to the motherboard. If it's loose, reconnect it firmly. This can often resolve screen code issues. If the problem persists, consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. For convenience, remember that you can arrange pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, just a simple solution. If repairs are needed, you'll receive a quote before repair, ensuring transparency. After checking the connections, replace the back cover and screws. Power on your device to see if the issue is resolved. Regular maintenance can prevent future problems. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.